Wow, guys, can you believe this? I'm actually here at the Great Pyramid of Giza. This is insane.
These stones are over 4,000 years old. Can you believe that? Just imagine the hands that built this.
Oh, look! A real Egyptian camel. Want a race, buddy?
These stones are over 4,000 years old, no? Can you believe that? Just imagine the hands that built this.
What a view! The desert, the history. It's overwhelming. It's hard to explain what I'm feeling. Just pure wonder.
Met some awesome travelers here.